Assalamu alaikum grade 6. This is your lecture of Oxford Progressive English. As you know that we are studying unit number 6, Lions and Tigers. Today we are going to study chapter number 4, Spider and the Lion. So open your books at page 134. Our story is Spider and the Lion. It is a folk tale that comes from Nigeria in West Africa. In this story, the spider's revenge on the lion has been described. In today's lecture, we are going to study the summary of this story. The proper book reading will be done in online lecture. So let's move towards a summary. Spider and the Lion. The story is a folk tale from Nigeria in West Africa. It describes the revenge of a spider from a lion who ate all his roasted fish. The spider was quite clever. He overpowered the lion with his exaggerated conversation about a bushfowl with a spotted brown skin. The spider claimed before the lion that he had given that beautiful skin to the bushfowl. The lion also wished to have a brown spotted skin. The spider promised to do so, and thus the lion was caught in the spider's net. Pretending to give him the spotted skin, the spider revenged on the lion by binding him and making brown spots on his body with red hot metal skewers. So students, this was our story. Let's now move towards our words meanings of this chapter. Number 1, bushfowl, bushbird. Number 2, ungrateful, unthankful. Number 3, plumage, feather. Number 4, wistfully, longingly. Number 5, scarcely, hardly. Number 6, impatiently, without patience. Number 7, bruises, wounds. Now open your books at page 136. We are going to solve an exercise at page 137. Find the words in the text which mean the following. Animal skin, hide. An animal's body stripped of its flesh, carcass. A grill for cooking, rack. Sharp, thin rods for securing cooking meat, skewers. To enjoy a festive meal, feast. So we have searched the synonymous words of the given words from the text. The words that we have written are the words from text that explain the meaning of these words that have been described in the exercise. Now come to page 138. We are going to start reading for understanding. We will solve first 5 question answers. So open your notebooks and start to write. Reading for understanding. Question 1. Explain the plan that was in Spider's mind when he said of the spotted bushfowl. I expect she will soon be telling her friends that it wasn't I who gave her the delicate spotted plumage. Answer. The spider had a plan to take revenge on the lion by catching him in his net. Question 2. What did Spider tell the lion he had to do in order for Spider to give him a spotted skin? Answer. The spider asked the lion to fetch a bush cow and find the toughest khazora tree. Question 3. What did the lion make out of the bush cow's skin when he ripped it with his claws? Answer. He made strips like pieces of rock out of the bush cow's skin. Question 4. How did Spider encourage the lion to do the things which he had told him to do? Answer. The spider encouraged the lion by saying that he will have more beautiful skin than the bush fowls. Question 5. How did the spider give the lion his spotted skin? Answer. The spider tied the lion and made brown marks all over his body with red hot metal skewers. So friends, we have completed our chapter. You will write these question answers in your notebooks and learn them. Allah Hafiz.